All right, what's going on, Pro Cutters? You can see we hung this television with the bracket that they got, but it's not quite centered. The reason being is because it's a multi-directional and it's got a big support in the center and the outlets are there, and so this whole bracket needs to come this way to the right. So we're going to take this down and replace it with just a tilt bracket. This ProCut's helping, this got to be worth extra views.
Yeah, there you go.
So once you get one lag bolt in, then you get your level and level your piece, and then you can put in 3 more lag bolts, and you want to make sure you're bolting into a stud. Now with the wall bracket on, we can switch out the brackets that are holding on to the back of the TV with the new ones. Alright, so with those on, now it's ready to be hung up. Now we've got the TV perfectly leveled, and I learned something new today after hundreds of television installations. This bracket has an Allen key adjustment on the top of the brackets for fine-tuning in your level. So there you go. Don't be afraid to learn new things. And I'm just going to leave that Allen key right in there. That way they'll always know where it is in case they need to re-level the TV. What's going on, Pro Cutters? If I could get you to take a minute, not even, just a couple of seconds, click that subscribe button, click the notification bell, and share this video and all my videos with your friends and family members. Have a great day.